Mine has a bobcat on it.
Look, you got everything you need to get done, the math on the computer, everything.
So, yeah, we got interrupted. So, yeah, my fidget. One pops out, but spins anyway. So, we'll get back to that. I'm going to come back to that. And then right here, we have my fidget cube. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to try and get some light up in here. Here, can I... Well, maybe I can help you guys see better. So, I'm going to go into the light and show you guys. I'm just trying to squeeze this in. So, here's my fidget cube. It has these things. It has your ball right here. Then you have your spinner. Spins, push it down. It helps me because I have sometimes hard to focus. I use it on my homework when I use it for my homework. My best friend Cole, he gave it to me. Don't forget, I'll have a link in the description to his channel. Don't forget to go over there and watch his videos. Like, but don't subscribe. I'm just kidding, you can subscribe if you want. If you're already subscribed to his channel, then great. So here's like an on and off switch, spinner. He got it on me for the 13th of May because the 14th is my birthday. So yeah, it's basically one of those. It helps me a lot to try and concentrate because I have some concentrating problems sometimes when I do homework because other things grab my attention. So they work differently because the fidget, of course. Sorry. Here, I'm trying. Of course, because the fidget kind of does spinning motions. Spins. Give me a second. I'm going to put it to the light. Give me 1 second. Just hold there, though. We'll be right back. So, we're back. Give me 1 minute. Can I keep it clean? Sorry. Of course, because the fidget kind of spins, and then the fidget cube has all these little tiny things. Presses, switches on, spins. But I personally like both of them the most, like the cube the most because of how it's designed, but this is actually really nice, and this one too. I might be getting more this weekend, and hey, who knows, I might have a free giveaway. But before I do an awesome trick, or try to do an awesome trick on it, I have a challenge for you guys. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and put in the comment, I subscribe, or leave a nice comment. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Good job if you did it, and don't forget you can still like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm about to do a trick. So, ready? Oh! So, but that's all. I try to do a trick, but if I practice and I get it, I'll let you guys know. Don't forget to like this video, and